Hi everyone, thanks for joining us. Today we are very proud to announce the new version 1.11 of Vivotek's vast video management software. This version features H.265 integration and new software license support. This presentation includes an overview, a look at product features and benefits, and some more detailed product information. First, let's step through the overview of the new VAST. VAST is a professional video central management software designed for the management of all Vivotek IP surveillance products. It features intuitive functions and numerous features. In this new version 1.11, it also supports a range of new devices, including the 9000 series cameras as well as Vivocam PoE switch. However, only the Discover function is supported with the Vivocam PoE switch. VAST version 1.11 integrates the new generation H.265 video codec. We'll talk more about this over the following few pages. So, what are the benefits of integrating the H.265 codec? Well, with H.265, VAST can provide users an effectively larger storage space for longer durations of video recording. Total bandwidth and storage savings can reach up to 50%. And when combined with Vivotek's surveillance solutions, bandwidth and storage savings can reach up to an impressive 80%. The H.265 support scope fully integrates all VAST applications, including client for live client and playback, web console, VMS media player, and VAST Matrix. And yes, the new version supports Vivotek's H.265 stream. It can also support recording and display applications, but at present the display only supports software decoding, which uses more resources than H.264. VAST will be released with H.265 hardware decoding for users in future versions. Next, we'll introduce VAST's new software license. Vivotek provides two free VMS solutions, ST7501 and VAST. We recommend users who currently use ST7501 to transfer gradually to VAST. The older versions of VAST require a dongle to run, making it complicated to replace the ST7501. The new version of VAST is equipped to support an all-new software license. The default VAST software provides 32 channel usage for customers free of charge. If required by the customer, it is easy to expand the number of camera channels available. On this table, you can see the difference between ST7501 and VAST. ST7501 provides camera connections for a maximum of 32 channels, while VAST provides for unlimited channels, providing 32 channels as a default standard. VAST also supports a wide array of other features, such as hierarchical management, VAST Matrix support, Microsoft Active Directory, panoramic PTZ, seamless recording, and on-VIF integration. With these added benefits, Vivotek has no hesitation in recommending our users upgrade to VAST. In the past, VAST only supported a hardware license, so users needed to have a dongle to register the software. But now, Vivotek have provided self-contained software license support. Users will no longer need to purchase the dongle, expend production and shipping time, and suffer the risk of loss or accident. The software license represents an advance in intelligent design and usability. Adding to the flexibility, however, the new version of VAST supports both hardware and software licenses at the same time, so the user can still use their hardware dongle for any future versions. When you remove the dongle in the new version, VAST will simply revert to the 32-channel version. A quick reminder here that the hardware license and the software license are two separate types of license. Upgrading to the new version cannot change an existing hardware license into a software license. The hardware license user will need to retain their dongle for the original license. If you have two licenses at hand, the verified priority of the hardware license is higher than that of the software license. This new version of VAST also integrates the license types of Vivotek cameras and OnVIF cameras, giving users a more flexible license configuration. Please note, however, that the default free version does not offer OnVIF camera support. The software license also provides a higher level of protection than the hardware license. Its file contains data on the basic hardware configuration, such as the motherboard, CPU, processor, graphic card, RAM, and network card, of all servers in order to maximize efficiency. If the user changes any two of these basic hardware components, the license will become invalid. This software license operation is the same as in older versions. Users can access it through Help and then License. The software license further produces two license export and import solutions for users. One is a hierarchical structure for batch licenses, and the other is a single structure for single licenses. Using batch licenses will save users more operation time. Next, we'll talk about the device pack, extremely useful for all users of VAST. Since new software and new cameras are not released at exactly the same time, there may be a delay between the release of a camera and the integration of software. The device pack allows users to easily integrate the newest cameras without waiting for the latest software release, and ensures users are always up to date. This process is achieved quickly and easily by configuring the camera's parameters in the camera configuration application on VAST. Vivotek integrates all formats of the device pack at this time, so one file can support the Shepherd, NVR, and VAST. Users can easily update the device pack through VAST. The access path is through Help, and then the About page, and once you click Update, it will upgrade the latest camera configuration features. Now let's move on to the alarm search enhancement features. Previously, users have needed to record the alarm status on separate notes. This system made it hard to systematize or keep track of what could be a large number of notes. The new version of VAST supports the recording of status and notes directly to the system, thus saving time, eliminating the risk of losing data, and making the information recorded much more systematized and integrated. The alarm search feature provides a remark function. Using this function, users can update the status and notes of alarms on Live Client, and then select from the various conditions which have been filed in order to search alarms. Now let's turn to the new Instant Replay enhancement feature. This feature can support both live view and playback in multi-layout mode at the same time. It's the smart option for rapid playback when you need immediate retrieval of only short video clips. When the Instant Replay enhancement function is enabled, the view cell will display the Instant Replay icon at the bottom left. Click the icon to play back the video clip, and select from 6 playback options, from 20 seconds to 15 minutes, and playback. By clicking playback, users can expand to the full playback window. Now let's explore the joystick enhancement feature. VAST version 1.11 adds a joystick keypad mapping application. Users can input the camera number to easily change to the 1x1 layout to monitor a critical moment in time. To utilize a joystick, users can set up this function through the VAST joystick setting. At present, it supports only the VMS under single structure. Now let's take a look at the overall feature enhancements of the new version 1.11 of VAST. This new version adds a viewing option that disables the query panel and video clip list. Users can use the larger view cell panel to playback video clips. The new version also refines the output camera list function. The output file will be in the .csv format, and information includes brand, hostname, IP, HTTP port, and Mac. This format also supports the import of Shepherd to add a camera list and then manage this list of cameras. The camera list provides device information to users for easy management. If a user wants to back up the VAST setting, they simply use VAST's import-export utility. Now finally, let's have a look at the product information. We welcome you to browse the VAST page for further information. The device pack and license page will be available by December 2015. Again, thank you so much for your attention. We look forward to seeing you next time.